Knock, knock. Sun is shining, sky so blue. So many fun things we can do. Clap, 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 jump, hooray. Summer fun begins today. Where should we go on this sunny day? Beach or park or zoo to play? What do you say? Let's go find some fun today. Suddenly, stomp, stomp, stomp. Who is coming down the way? A big gray friend with a long, long nose. It's an elephant saying, let's go! Summer vacation, hooray, hooray. Jump and laugh and dance and play. Clap your hands and spin around. Happy summer fun is found. Walking, walking through the town. Something yummy can be found. What is that? So cold and sweet, melting slowly in the heat. Ice cream cones, 1, 2, 3. Chocolate, mango, strawberry. Lick, 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 don't let it drop. Oops, oh no, flop, flop, flop. Kids all giggle, hee, hee, hee. Silly summer fun for me. Summer vacation, hooray, hooray. Jump and laugh and dance and play. Clap your hands and spin around. Happy summer fun is found. Next we go to the sandy beach. Waves are splashing near our feet. Splash, splash, splash in the sea. Cool, cool water, wee, wee, wee. A little crab goes click, 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 running fast. Oh, he's quick! Seagull flying in the sky, waving to us as it flies by.